Listen to me carefully.
Oh, how could you forget her? Say something, talk to me. How did you let her go into the street alone?
Pari, where is she?
Listen,
Pari, where is she?
Neha, she has... You handed her over to her so trustingly. But see what has happened now. How can I say sorry to you, Neha? This is all his fault. I kept saying no to him, but he did not listen to me. The poor girl must be hungry. Where is she? Who is she with?
Uncle, where is Pari, uncle? Uncle!
I didn't do this on purpose. I can't let our Pari go just like that.
I don't care whether you did it on purpose or not. Pari, my child must be found out or I will never ever forgive you.
Aunt. Please wait. Look at the state he's in. Uncle didn't do this on purpose. Listen to me. It doesn't matter who did this and whose fault it is. It's more important to find Pari right now.
Neha, listen to me. File a police complaint. Yes, I'll do that.
Wait, Miss Neha, wait. If you file a police complaint, then nothing is up to you. I'll go and see myself once. I'll use my sources. Miss Neha, I promise you, if I don't find your daughter, I will not face you again in this life. I will bring Pari home for sure. I guarantee it.
I kept telling Uncle Bandhu this morning, you are old now, so keep quiet and sit at home. Why did he take that girl with him?
I know, right? He yelled at us in the morning and now he has nothing to say.
Forget all about that. Uncle Bandhu didn't do any of this on purpose, right? In fact, Mr. and Mrs. Nayak love her so much. We just have to find our Pari now.
Subhada, sitting here won't help. Let's go and find Pari.
Neha, I know how you feel. But you must try to find Pari as soon as possible. Try calling all her friends. Think of where Pari can go and contact them. Do whatever it takes.
Hello? Mira's mom? This is Pari's mom. Is Pari there? No? Okay. Hello, Rudra. Give the phone to mom. Is Pari there? Okay. Who do I call next? Hello, Aunt Shalini. This is Pari's mother. Did Pari come to the crèche?
Oof. Quite a fruitful meeting, right? Lucky we came to Delhi. There's clarity about many things now. If all goes well, Sameer, we can launch the rest of our products by next month.
You're right, boss.
Yeah? Good job, my boy. I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
So what's the plan for tomorrow?
Mr. Sharma is coming here to Delhi to meet us tomorrow. He needs to talk to you about some things personally.
Really?
He's opening a branch of our company in the US, so he has some practical problems. That's what he would like to discuss.
Okay.
Sorry, boss. No personal calls while working.
Okay?
This is strange. You literally ignored the Tiffin lady and listened to me. You keep listening to me, and you will go back from zero to hero, okay?
Okay.
Sorry.
I have to say this. Tell me if you agree or not. We have finished the meeting and the work. Technically, we're done for the day. You know, just saying.
Yeah.
Thank you. Teminia.
Hello? Yeah, Yash. Yash, our Pari is lost.
What? Neha, I'll be there at once. I'll come at once, Neha.
Okay. My child.
Hey, what is the matter? Something is serious, I can sense that, but what happened?
Pari's lost, Samir.
What?
I must go to Mumbai right now.
But we have meetings planned in Delhi.
I know, Samir. I promised Pari that whenever she needs me, I will be there with her. This is that time. I have to be there, Samir.
Hey, but we have...
Just please handle things here.
Okay, let me deal with things here. Let me know at once if you need anything, okay? You may have set out for Pari, Yash. But the concern on your face shows you're getting even more involved in Neha. To be honest, I feel good.
Hello? What's this? You've been calling me constantly. Can you let me drink some tea in peace?
Sorry, you are having tea in peace, but this girl is making me panic.
Hey, listen. Can't you handle a 4-year-old girl? The family of that girl is just starting to feel the heat. Let me get some mileage out of this. It'll be so much fun to put the fire out then. I want to be the hero. That's why you must spend a couple of hours with her quietly. Do you get it?
Sir, if I sit here anymore, I'll be destroyed. Sir, the police is here. They have set up check posts and they are holding up cars.
What?
Sir, the police are asking about some missing girl.
Oh no. I told Neha Kamath not to file a police complaint. I guess she has done it. Why did she have to use her own head, dimwit? Listen, you wait out there. I'll be there.
Uncle, let's go and find Uncle Bandu.
Yes, we will look for him.
You say that, but you don't look for him. I'm going to go and search for him.
Wait, please. My child, I have to do something here. Once that is done, we can surely look for Uncle Bandu.
You have nothing to do. You are lying to me. I want to call my mother. Give me your cell phone.
I don't have a cell phone.
You're lying to me again. I saw that you have a phone in your pocket.
I have a phone, but it doesn't have any balance in it. See?
Uncle Bandu!
Uncle Paran's is here. Thank you so much, dear. Thank you so much. Where did you find her, huh? Pari, dear, nothing has happened to you, right?
You seem to be from her family. Go on, take her home.
I won't go with him.
Pari, don't
I
do
don't
this.
like him.
Don't behave like this, dear. Everyone is waiting at home for you. Your mom is waiting for you. Listen to me, dear. You must come with me, okay?
Uncle Bandu is missing. I won't come until we find him. My mother will scold me.
Uncle Bandu, he has come home. Yeah. And he's also waiting for you. You must come now, alright? Huh?
Go with your uncle, dear. He said Uncle Bandu has been found, right? Go on.
Okay? Let's go.
Go on.
Come
Go
on.
Oh my goodness.
Neha, where are you going?
I'm going to the police station. I don't care what Paran's face says. I can't sit still here. He's been gone a long back, right? I must go. I will go and find Pari. I'll go to the police station and see.
Excuse me.
Yash, see what has happened. Our Pari. This is all my husband's fault. We can't figure out where he left her.
Uncle Bandu, you must calm down. Please don't cry. I promise you within the next 15 minutes, Pari will be at home. Nothing will happen to her. She is safe and we will surely find her.
Mom!
Pari, my child. How is my dear child? How are you? You are not hurt, right?
No, I'm
are you
not.
okay? My dear child. Here. Sit here. Sit.
Pari, I had no idea my friend is so strong. Come.
Sorry, Uncle. I let go your hand. That's why you got lost, right? Sorry.
Pari, my child, are you really okay?
I'm fine, Mom.
You're not hurt, are you, my darling?
Mom, don't cry. You are a good girl. You must not cry like this. Look at me, Mom. Am I crying?
Ranjabi, You have always come to our rescue. I can't thank you enough for this favor.
Aunt, why are you saying these things? Pari is important to you and she is equally important to me, right?
Thank you, Mr. Pranjapai. We found our Pari thanks to you today.
Pari is back home. Let's go home
Come on,
now.
let's go. Let's go. Come on.
Mr. Paranjpai, thank you so much. You found Pari and brought her home, and I'll never forget what you've done today. Thanks once again.
Why are you thanking me? I can't sit tight without looking for Pari. Besides, the thing is, Mr. Yash, some people are merely hovering around. There is no guarantee they will help in time of need. Helping out in the nick of time matters a lot. That's all I have done.
Friend, come here, please.
Where did he go, my child?
Friend, I was right here. Tell mom not to cry.
Friend, you are such a strong girl, but your mom is such a crybaby.
Mom, you always say when you were a cry baby, your nose comes off in your palm, right?
Yes, dear. I'm not crying.
Come here. Come to me.
Take your shoes off.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Mr. Paranjpai, really, thank you so much. If my Pari hadn't been found today,
Miss
I
Neha.
would be...
Don't plead or humble yourself. I promised you, right? I'll bring Pari home safe and sound. Wouldn't have allowed her to be harmed in any way. Miss Neha, just remember one thing. From here on, wherever you need help, just call me once. I'll be right before you.
Thank you.
Pikachu, faster! You must complete 100 rounds. Come on, 52. Very good.
Hello. Relax. What's the matter? Huh? Why is he going around in circles? Aunt has been punished.
It is because he didn't attend class
So his
today.
dad punished him.
I did?
I told him. I mean, it's no big deal if he misses class for one day. Now we get bored of our daily chores, don't we? Now consider this, Yash. You came back suddenly from Delhi. And that's why you missed some important meetings, but that's okay. Dad, you know what I think? Our Yash needs to rest. Hey, you are very stressed out at work. My baby, I can understand. Dad, but you must ask Yash, okay? Why did he suddenly rush back from Delhi?
I may be old, but still I decide who advises me and gives a clarification without being asked.